Hey guys, what's up? This is Treeman slash Tech Guy here, and today I'm going to be playing Washing Machine on Roblox. Now, before we get started, it has been a while since I last made a video with a face cam, so, I figured today might be the day to do this, so, anyways, before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you don't miss any videos. As well as don't forget to check out my second YouTube channel and my playlist. I will have both of them linked in my playlist. Or I will have them both linked in the description below the video. So anyways, without any other hesitations, let's get started. So there is a hidden one back here. Right there. But we'll let them go first, so also a quick warning, if you have epilepsy, quick caution, these washing machines do spin pretty fast, the velocity of 100, so, and I am going to be going inside and doing this, so if you have it, please do not watch this video, and so I just want to make sure that you don't, because I don't know if you would be able to handle watching this, so. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. Well, I don't really care what they're talking about, but, I don't know why. Yeah, and if you can handle watching this video, you can. But if you cannot handle it, then don't watch it if you don't want. Let's try the one with this really quick. Yeah, he's just spinning pretty fast. Doing. I don't know if anybody can even see me do that. Wait. Can I even do that? No. You can't. No, I'm on the ground. Okay. Yeah, so you get to see a little bit of the action going on. Yeah, so some of these washing machines do run for like 30 seconds, some of them run for more than that. There is also one that, there's one right here too, that is upright, so. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Yeah, don't worry about my hair. I'll get it when I can. Okay, let us go. Yeah, so this one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Wait. How long does it say say that, oh, it takes like a minute. Oh, let's see, this one took a minute on here. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I'm just watching it. Cause I probably about no, it's almost done. You can get rid of that. Oh, I didn't lose my limbs. Huh. Okay. That's good. Yeah, this one is the biggest one in here. Oh yes, and tomorrow I will probably make another video of this too, but it's gonna be Cheo's washing machine, or Cheo's machine. It's basically the same thing, but it has more washing machines, and yeah. So. Well, it depends on if I can get to it. So, oh my god. Yep, there it is. Alright, let's get to it. Oh boy. And the thing is, here, what? I'm just gonna put this on that. Oh. And there goes one of my arms. And look, I'm just gently floating down to the ground. Where did my arm go, by the way? Oh, my arm's right there. Ah! Hold on, let me get back into this. Oops. Okay, there we go. That's better. I lost my arm on that one. I don't know why. That was pretty bad. Alright, let's see. Please, there we go. And it's kind of like, you know, I'm kind of like gently floating down to the ground, so not a biggie. You can also go around to it, I think. Wait. Uh-oh, I lost my leg. No, I did not want to lose my leg. First it was my arm, and now it's my leg. Hold on. I can do that too. It's basically like resetting myself, so. Alright, let's get out of there. Yeah, this one over here looks pretty dangerous. Pretty much. Just by looking at it. Yeah, you see what I'm looking at, right? The washer. Jeez. Oh my god, there's too many people in there. I guess I can do this while I wait. Right? Oh, I tricked him out. Uh-oh. I just didn't want to be stuck in there. Wait, what's going on with him? What is this person doing? I have no clue what is going on. I have no clue what's going on here. Alright, new turn, I guess. If you would call it that. Oh my god. Where's everybody going? Uh-oh. This ain't gonna be good. I don't like this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I guess I might as well stay like this. I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh my god. I think if you just stand and maybe look up, you're not. I have no idea. Oh my god. That was, that's pretty much it, I guess. Let's watch the, blowing action from out here. He's into the machine. Okay. So it's just, I think it does a countdown. Yep. Oh, that's what happens. Right there. Wow. Oh. Yeah, so I guess we can do, maybe one or two more. So I guess I probably won't be doing all of it then. I believe I have played these machine games before. So. I mean, I'm kind of used to watching this. Ugh. Alright, so we'll enter the machine. And then I guess this will be the last one that we'll do. So, we'll go ahead and move forward to do its thing. Yeah, so that was going to be the last one we do. Alright. Okay, so I guess this is where we are going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I know it's not pretty much a long video, but you know, that's all I'm going to do. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that we don't miss any videos. And don't forget to check out my second YouTube channel and playlist. Both of them will be linked in the description below. So anyways, this is Streamian /Tech, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.